Okay, so what are you seeing here is actually pure breed pigs actually being imported from Missouri, United States of America. These pigs actually are four breeds. So we have the Yorkshire, we have the Hampshire, we have the Duroc, and we have the Landrace. So we're going to actually introduce what we call a four-breed cross breeds. This four-breed cross will actually ensure that our genetic line and that our F1 generation become pure. The average pig cycle actually takes about 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days for pregnancy. So we're going to expect actually 2.5 litters per year. Each pig will actually give birth to, let's say, 14 piglets. These 20 pigs actually consist of 4 boars, so we have 4 breeding boars, and then we actually have 16 females. Okay. Later in the phase 2 approach, we're going to actually introduce what you call AI, artificial insemination. The artificial insemination is actually to ensure uniformity, to increase carcass conformation in terms of ensuring that all that the pig is being pregnant at the same time. The genetics actually is the genetics. They were actually came in from all standard BASA, Bahamas Agriculture Health and Safety Authority, passed veterinary inspection, has undergo all the necessary blood work to enter the country, and this actually approach could actually help the pig industry. So we can actually revitalize the pig industry in the Bahamas. Since there's no pig industry in the Bahamas right now, right now, this here at BAMSI can actually be a teaching term in terms of research capacity. Learning, people can actually get into the growing facility. They can actually have growers, you can have suckling pigs, you can have different, portions. The different breeds of pigs can actually, like for example, the Landrace, produce good carcass conformation, good cuts, etc. So at BAMSI, students are present at BAMSI, they will learn all about what you call swine production, swine husbandry, swine protocols, and safe standard operating procedures.